It's the biggest ride of the year, but there's just one problem. It's over 1,500 miles away from you, and you only own a Miata. How do you cope? Well, you do what anyone would do. Disassemble your bike, ship it with UPS, and fly down on a red-eye to ride with the boys. Once you arrive, Uber to the random dude's house you trusted to ship your bike to.
What's up, Alex?
Reassemble the bike, hope it works, and get to the Mega Ride.
Yo guys, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the video. We're about to head to the Mega Ride. We got Zilly Millie.
I'm lubing my chain.
He's lubing his chain. We got Big Ty Stunts. We got, what's your name again? Logan 86 spelled out. We're about to head to the Mega though. Got everyone pulling up their wheels. Pull it up. Pull it up. Oh yeah. Oh, water bottle down. Save the water bottle. Yeah, but I'm not gonna wheelie too much till we get there because I'm trying to preserve some bat. You lose something, bud. Let's get some swerves in. If you guys can't tell, I've got no front brake because that shit fell off. All right, guys, we are running late to the Mega. We tried to go to Office Depot to get Jake an SD card, but of course it was a shit show. They leave in 2 minutes. We're like 5 minutes away. I think we hopefully should be able to catch him though. All right, we made it in time. Let's go. What's good? Good to see you again.
Connor, right?
Huh?
Connor, right?
Yeah. What's good, bro? Yeah, nice to meet you too. Oh, sweet. Dude, with the sumos, that's sick. '23 Surron Mega Ride in Austin, Texas. This is insane. Bro, I couldn't knee knock with it on. It was too close. What are you gonna say?
Hey, Razor Kid, what are you doing, bro? You ain't out here. You ain't out here with the Razor Gang, bro.
There we go. See, I couldn't do this with the other one. All the Razors showed up today. Is this a bomb moto? Dude, that thing is so sick. Okay, like how much watts?
Probably running like 6.5, 7.
Oh shit, so it's pretty powerful.
It does like 53.
Oh shit. Oh baby. We're just riding through a parking lot right now. This hurt my freaking shin, man. Whew. Dude, this is wild. What's good, bro? How you doing today?
Good, buddy.
Chilling. Dude, Luca is fucking insane. Look at this 50 with the chrome. Yo, bro. Woo! Yo, that was intentional. I love the chrome, bro. That's sick. Let's see a wheelie. There we go. Woo, woo. Dude, this is so wild. Where are my wheelies at? There we go. Dude, what the hell? That is fucking wild. Let's keep it moving. Woo! See guys, as much as I want to just rip it right now, I'm not gonna, because we're at 81 volts. Should be fine, I think, but I'm just so anxious. But everyone on their Ultra Vs and 72 volt Surrons are flying here. This is so wild, bro. I feel like there's a good chance to run out of battery today. Let's go, Logan. What's good? I'm from Philly. Look at the jersey. Yup. Yeah. I shipped my bike down. Yeah, can't miss the mega. Lost it. Yeah. Oh shit, Hunter, what's good, bro? Dude, your videos, you've been killing it. Woo. So sketchy with no front brake here. Yo, Mr. Shred Wheeling, right? What's good, bro? Oh yeah, I forgot. You just changed it. Yeah. Connor G Media. Yeah. Man, I need to find someone to steal water from. All right, I gotta get in on this circle shit. Who's giving up first? Oh. Just keep killing my battery. Ready, go after them. Just send it. Oh. Dude, the Megura? Yeah, it's nice. The seat feels a little short. This is a Bomb Moto. I'm trying to get a feel for these brakes. These brakes aren't great. Bro, these rear brakes are sketchy. I'm just used to like the feel of with one finger. I like the pegs though. Yeah, this feels a lot more legit though than mine. Alright, I'm gonna give it back before I loop it. Dude, that's a hard seat.
It sucked, huh?
Damn, look at this thing. For once I think my bike's gonna die before my camera. We're at 71 volts. We should be good enough to get back though, I think. Frenchie. Look at this kid go. That was a sick clip. Dude, the car was moving right in on you. Oh, shit. Even with 70 volts, we're still getting after it. Woo! You're good. Oh, not my wrench. Scrape! Come on! Hey! Let's go. Sully's too good. Oh, scrape again! Ah. 69 volts up the hill. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Whoa. Shit. He's not good. Shit. Was he even wheeling or no? Damn.
Whenever you're ready,
Oh, let's go. I have like no battery left. I hope I make it back. Woo. I'm camera shy. I got stage fright, you know? What's that?
They don't have good range?
I mean, they do, but if you're just like on it the whole time, like it should be able to go like 40 miles, but
You guys are fast.
yeah, well, it doesn't help. Like when we were cruising on that highway at like 45, dude, That kills the battery. You got like 72 volt though, right?
Dude, this thing never dies.
How's your ankle doing, bro? Didn't you up?
My toe. I fucked
Oh,
my
your toe.
Yeah, it's healed. It's fine.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it just looks weird.
Oh, that's good. There we go. In the Jordans. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna baby it back. 68 volts. We're only like 6 minutes from the startup spot, which is Pine House Pizza. Damn, I could go for a slice right now. But yeah, and then our Airbnb is only about a mile and a half from there, so hopefully I can make it home okay. Should I say fuck it and just wheelie? What the happened?
I did a one-hander and I forgot to put my hand back on the rear brake. Someone stopped in front of me and I was like, oh fuck. Just went all the way back.
Dude, that sucks. And he still goes and does a seat standard. Damn, bro.
Your tire looks great.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it looks straight. I think it's just your subframe.
Pulling in the weird direction.
Yeah. I don't know. You're like, it looks straight. Look at this. Back to the meetup spot. I think they're doing a giveaway now. Woo.
My hand was up here. I just did the brake up here. Not right here. Alright, that was fucking sick. Yeah. But I don't know, there's like 5 of them we couldn't really decide on. But if you're gonna put me on the spot, that last one with Tino bricked me up a little bit, man, that was crazy. So where's he at? Where's Wild Man at?
All right, guys, and that is the end of the Saturday mega ride in Austin, Texas 2023. It was so sick battery wise. We made it, you know, to this spot and back, and now we're going back to the Airbnb. I'm at 66 volts, but I should be able to limp her home.